In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to download TikTok videos with no watermark. So it's a very quick and straightforward tutorial. You just need to launch up the TikTok application and then head over to the video that you want to download. So let's say for this demonstration, this is the video that I want to download. What you need to do is click on the share icon in the bottom right hand side. Scroll across this second row until you see copy link and select this. Then just head over to an internet browser. I'll be using Safari. Come over to a search engine like a google.com and you're just going to type in download TikTok video no watermark and hit enter. And now you can use any of these free websites here to download this TikTok video. I'll just click on this first website at the top here. Go ahead and paste the link that we just copied from TikTok. Click on download. Click on the download HD button. If you get an advert pop up, then just close out of that. Then we can come back and click download. Head over to the downloads folder in the bottom left hand side. Click on downloads. Click on the video that we just downloaded. Click on the share icon in the bottom left. Scroll down and select save video. And now if I head over to my photo album, you can see we now have this saved TikTok video without any watermarks. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.